Hello learners, this is CentOS and in this video we'll learn about installing MySQL on CentOS7 system. CentOS7 is a Linux flavor and CentOS7 uses Yum package manager to download new softwares inside it. Since we are trying to install MySQL 5.7, which is the latest version of MySQL for now, so we need to download the RPM packages for that. The RPM packages are the file which contain the list of repos which is being used by Yum package manager to download the software. So I have listed down here the RPM packages, RPM package path which you can find in the description of this video, but I'll let you know how to find this package. So we'll try to go to Chrome and inside Chrome we'll search MySQL. So the first link is the MySQL website. We'll go there and we'll go for inside the download section. Inside the download section you can see the list of there is a huge list for downloading MySQL for different system like enterprise, community, for Windows or for apt repository system, but we are interested in CentOS7, so we'll use the Yum repository system. So we'll go into the Yum repository and inside Yum repository we can find the different version of the CentOS7 system flavor or the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 system. So here it is 7, here it is 6 and 5, but we are using CentOS7, so we'll try to download the RPM package for 7. So we'll click on download and it will ask us to log in or sign up, but we are not interested in it, so we'll say no, just thanks, just start my download. Now you can see when I hover over it, then on the bottom of the Chrome you can see a link is there, so we'll just try to get that link. So we'll do the copy link address. So we have got the link and we'll try to go inside our CentOS system, CentOS7 system. Now a tool is there which is called wget, which is used to download file in Linux. So we'll use wget and the file. So this is the path of the MySQL 57 community release. So we'll try to download it and we saw that the file got downloaded. If we do a ls, we can see the file is present here. Now I'll show you what is present inside this file. So I'll do rpm -qlp and then the name of the RPM package. So inside that you can see there are 3 repos, or this is a package, and 2 repos are there for MySQL, that is MySQL community source repo and MySQL community.repo. So these are the 2 repos that are present inside it. Now we need to install these 2 repos so that Yum repository can download MySQL from there. So we'll say, since we have to use sudo privileges, so we will always use sudo yum -ivh, means install, and the verbose, v stand for verbose, and then the name of the RPM file. So we'll say it's sudo rpm -ivh and then MySQL. So it has added those repos inside our system. Now what we'll try to do, we'll see that we have installed the repos to our system. Then we'll try to install MySQL. So we'll use the command sudo yum install -y mysql-server. -y is added because we do not need to provide any yes and no to the prompt. It will directly download the system by taking yes as our option. So we'll just use it and we'll say yum, we'll use sudo yum install -y mysql-server. Since we have added the repo using the RPM file, so we'll try to download it. So our Yum package manager finds the repos and start downloading that file. It says that the total download size is 190 MB. So it will go to the server and it will try to download that from here. Since it will take a long time, approximately 5 to 6 minutes, so we'll come again to this video when the whole MySQL package is getting downloaded or is fully downloaded. So MySQL has been successfully downloaded. As you can see, the whole file 162 MB here has been downloaded, and the total combination is 190 MB, and it has been successfully installed. Now we'll try to start the MySQL service. So in CentOS, systemctl is a service which is used to start different softwares inside it. So we'll use sudo. First we'll try to see the status of MySQL. So we'll say sudo systemctl status mysqld. So the name of the daemon is mysqld. So it says that MySQL is there but it is inactive. So we'll try to start it. So we'll use sudo systemctl start mysqld. So it will try to start our MySQL. Now again we'll see the status, and it says MySQL is active and running. So while starting or installing the MySQL service, it created a temporary password for us which is logged inside our log file of MySQL. So we'll try to grab that particular password from our log file, which can be used later when we do the secure installation of MySQL. So we can grab the temporary password from mysqld.log using this command. So we'll use sudo grep, we'll just use password and then the name of the log file. So MySQL log files are created inside var log mysqld.log. So you can see a temporary password is generated for root localhost this. So you need to note down it, or you need to just copy it so that we can use it later on. The next thing is that when we try to set our own password inside MySQL, then there's a strict rule for that. So we can't set the password like password or ABCD or 1234. So there is a strict validation for that. So we need to change that because it will be very difficult for us to follow that strict password rule. So we'll try to change it and we'll set validate password policy equal to low. So all the configuration related to MySQL is written inside my.cnf file, which is present inside /etc. So we'll try to open that file /etc my.cnf file, which is present here, and all the configuration related to MySQL is done inside this file. So we'll open this file and we'll try to add the setting of validate password policy equal to low. So we'll say validate password policy equal to low. So what it will do when we'll try to set a not strong password or weak password, it will allow us to set that. So we have done the configuration that MySQL validate password policy is low. So we'll save this file, and then again what we'll do, we'll try to do a sudo mysql secure installation in which MySQL will let us give a password to it, or will secure our MySQL. So we'll use sudo mysql. First what we'll do, first we need to restart our MySQL. Since we have changed the configuration, so we need to restart our MySQL. So we will do sudo systemctl restart mysql d. So we'll try to restart our MySQL daemon server. Now we have already edited our mycnf file, so we'll try to do sudo mysql _ secure _ installation. So it says enter the password for user root. So at this place we'll try to enter the temporary password that has been generated while installing MySQL. So we'll copy it and we'll try to put that inside the current prompt. The existing root has expired, please set a new password. So it is asking us to set a new password. So we'll just write a simple password, that is only password. So I'm typing it PASSWORD. It is not visible to you for security reasons, but I have typed it. again pressing enter, so it asks me to re-enter the password. I will again use PASSWORD, and this time it says the estimated length of the password is 100. Change the password of the root to yes or any other key for no. So we want to change the password, so we'll type yes. Sorry, we have to type there no, so I'm again setting it password and then password. Do you wish to continue with the password provided? Yes. Remove anonymous users, so you can say either yes or no. I'll say yes, remove any anonymous user. Disallow root login remotely, which means from other server anyone can directly access to the MySQL server which is installed at this node. So I'll say disallow root login remotely, yes. And then remove test database and access to it, I'll say no. Reload privileges table now, so this is important, so we'll put yes here. So all done, and now we can enter inside our MySQL by typing MySQL -u for username. So user is our root and -p is there. So we'll just hit enter, and it will ask us for the password, and we can see, and we can put the password here. So I'm typing the password PASSWORD, which I have given before. So we are inside our MySQL terminal. So inside MySQL terminal, if we say show databases, it will show us the database. If you want to see what is inside MySQL database, this MySQL database, so we need to use MySQL. Sorry, spelling is wrong. So we'll say use MySQL, and the database has been changed. Now if you want to see the tables, we can see the table. So this was all about how to install MySQL in CentOS7 with the full details. I think you have understood the inside bits of what happens when we install it through RPM, what is MySQL secure installation, how to set the password for MySQL. So this is all about this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you.